today I'm just testing to see if my vintage IBM Aptiva keyboard works on my computer. So my PC has a PS2 port, and now I'll be going into the computer and showing you that it works. Okay, and so I'm just showing you the keyboard right now. Can't believe it still works. All the functions still work on it. Scroll lock, number lock, caps lock. Okay, it's working. Not bad for a keyboard which is 25 years old. Still working. So I'm going to type some stuff in it. Okay, now I'm at my computer testing out the keyboard. So this is the motherboard that I'm using, which is a Z97 Pro, and it does have a PS2 slot, as you can see, and that's what I connected my vintage keyboard to. And my new motherboard also has a PS2 slot, as you can see right there. I just recently bought this motherboard for my new computer, and it also has a PS2 slot, and this was made in 2021 or 2020. Not really sure, but this is pretty recent, recently made motherboard, so it's a modern motherboard. Has a PS2 slot, and I'm going to be typing some stuff on it to test that all the keys are still working on it. Backspace, tab button, caps lock, enter, shift Z, okay. Control again. You're doing Control C, copy. Control V, okay, working. Alt 1, Alt 2, Alt 3, 4, 5, Alt 6, Alt 8. I guess there's no Alt 9, so I'll just be testing the numbers now. I already did that. They all work. The cursor keys, left, right, up, down, they all work. Number pad. Okay, wow. This thing is pretty old and it still works after 25 years. This is amazing. I didn't test out this keyboard yesterday when I took it out of storage, but I'm just testing out these things just to see if they work. And yeah, I might even use this keyboard from now on. It's a pretty heavy keyboard. It's not light or anything. It's as heavy as my mechanical keyboard, which is a Razer. The brand is Razer. I don't know the model number, but it's pretty heavy. I have both keyboards connected to this computer. The Razer keyboard is connected, and this old vintage, let me look at the back, it's an IBM model KB6323 keyboard. IBM is working as well, which is pretty amazing. For something this old, usually stuff that is made these days just don't last very long. A lot of stuff. It seems like the way they made these things, even though it is a dome membrane keyboard, and that's the most common type of keyboard there is, it still works. Not bad. So anyways, thanks for watching. My Ace 1000 KS 1975 signing out. And if you have any thoughts, leave them in the comment section. Okay? Thanks.